Hey guys, my name is Inji, and today I'm going to show you how to build a villager breeder for Minecraft 1.16.3 for Minecraft Java Edition. And this is the villager breeder here, guys. It is the Impulse SV design, but has been slightly modified, as in 1.16.2 this actually broke. I have a fix video out for this. It will be in the top of the screen right now, so go and click on that if you're just here for a fix or you want to know a fix. If not, we'll get around to building this, so let's crack on and do it. Right guys, let's start building this up. So what we want to do is, if you take glass, it doesn't have to be glass, but for this purposes I'm going to use glass so you can see into the actual breeder itself. So you want to take the block of your choice, and then you want to build up 3 high on each side, like so. It doesn't have to be 3 high, I just put 3 high because it gives a bit more drop for the babies, so they're maybe not then connecting to the beds itself. Right, anyway, let's take our slabs. We want to go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then if we take our fence post and just knock it off the slab like so, and this will be what our villagers are going to stand on, or at least the breeding villagers, so they're not obviously, you know, falling down into the chamber itself. Then we'll take our beds and we'll go 1, if we can get around this side, 2, 3 and 4. When you're placing your beds, make sure the top of the beds is always connecting with the bottom of a bed. I think there is problems where if you have 2 tops connecting, it can cause sort of bother on the actual villagers breeding, and yeah, just do it this way because it seems to work much better itself. Right, next, let's take our trapdoors. So if we come in, we need to place trapdoors off, like so. So if we've got a middle one like this, place a trapdoor off to the side, a trapdoor off to the side, come across here, we'll do the exact same again, a trapdoor off to the side, and a trapdoor off to the side. And what we can do is we can get rid of these 2 middle ones, so our our breeder will look like this. Then we'll take our carpet and we'll come on the corners and we'll place carpet on each side of the corners, like so. And that is the breeder pretty much done, guys. As you can see, exactly the same as one over there. The only thing we need to do is put the villagers in. Now for getting the villagers into the breeder itself, obviously for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm in a creative world, so for me it's quite easy. I can use it to spawn egg. You guys will probably be in a survival world, so the easiest way I'd probably suggest is using some sort of minecart system coming up just to the point where it's hovering over this block, just above this block, and then pushing the villagers in. I would probably create some sort of barricade around the minecart system just so the villagers don't run away or don't escape, but that would probably be your easiest way. But I'll leave that up to you guys. There's many different ways you can do it, and there may be a way that's maybe better that you might find, but yes, I'll leave that up to you completely. Anyway, let's get feeding these guys and let's get this thing working. Now to get a villager breeder started, guys, obviously you need a good source of food. The carrots listed here just in my bottom bar here, this is probably enough to get your villager breeder started, but you will need a constant supply of carrots, potatoes, whatever you're using for these guys to breed constantly. So that is something else need to be considered when you're building something like this, is you need a constant supply of food so these guys can keep breeding. But this amount down here should be enough to sort of get you started. And there we go, guys, the village breeder is working. As you can see, we have villagers getting spawned in. Yeah, that's it, guys. There's really not much more you need to do. Everything's been built up. As you can see, the breeder's working, as I say. The only thing that you're going to find with this is it's keeping up with the food. So I'll build a good sort of like food farm, you know, maybe a carrot farm or a potato farm, just whatever you want to use. That's probably going to be your only problem is keeping the food supply for these guys, because they're going to want to constantly, you know, like breed. And if you're wanting like loads and loads of villagers, yes, as I say, food's going to be the problem for this. But if you've got a really good food farm, there should be any problem. But that's it, guys. There's really not much more to do. That's the entirety of this breeder now finished. And that, guys, is how to build a villager breeder for Minecraft 1.16.3 for Minecraft Java Edition. Anyway, guys, if you have liked this video, by all means drop a like on the video. That would be really cool. It really helps me, really helps my channel. And also, maybe consider subscribing as well. That would be awesome of you too. Anyway, guys, that's it for me today. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.